Okay, it's not great conditions out here. It's 48 degrees. I do have the wind from northeast, which is from behind me, so we're somewhat protected. A little dirty air out there though. The power company got this place cleaned up pretty good. Had a few days for everything to wash down you can see the sticks and stuff over there up against the flotation stuff, the barrier. So I got a different set of batteries. These are SMC, Superior Matching Concepts, 6,000 milliamp hour, 150C discharge. And I lowered my low voltage alarm to 10.5 volts for one battery, which is 3.7 per cell. So let's give her another go. Steering. I need to adjust my steering. Give her 3 clicks to the left. Let's take a run at it, see what it looks like. It's pretty good. Check our temps now. $115 down to 11.4. We are just over 2 minutes in. And I'm gonna run a couple laps. Ooh, it shut down on me. 1.2, I'm not sure why. 126. I don't know what the ESC is though. All right, well, might have to do a recovery if this thing don't start up in a bit here. There we go. That was fun. Got on her a little bit. And I have a towel. It's in the truck. I don't have myself sorted out yet as far as all my habits. Running habits. Timer. Not a big deal. All right. Let's just check, see what we got for speed. Yeah, we pushed it a little bit. 58. It's nice. Let's check some temperatures here. See what shut down and why. Did momentarily shut down. Battery's 103. That can't be a good reading. 101. 104. I can smell a little warmth in there. There you go. 129. 120. 123. And what did my motor say? Motor says 119. Let's see what we got on the motor. 118. So that telemetry's pretty good. No damage, didn't hit nothing. Decent run. Pretty happy with that for a next run. I think it's running, I don't know, a little wet maybe. Sure didn't look like it's gonna blow off going that way into the wind. She looked pretty solid. Might have to adjust that strut a little bit. Tip her up a little bit of what? Positive?